Hey, welcome back, everyone. Comes here with a quick game. We're gonna try the Blackmore Gambit. Do I want to do the Fritz attack? I'll do the Blackmore Deemer. Okay, so we're gonna go here. So this square is available. Get that. So let's see. Well, that's what you want to do. Now what? That's available. That's let's go there. Yeah, never mind. I gotta get castled. I might see something. Might see something. Ain't no guarantee though. Can I do that? Yeah, I can. Um, what do I want to do here? Go there. Oh, I'm tripping. I'm tripping bad. I'm tripping bad. Oh man, I'm tripping bad. I totally missed that. That's on me. That's on me, baby. I missed checkmate. Oh yeah, they right. I had yeah, they right. They right. I did miss it. I did miss it. Dang. How did I miss that? All right, but yeah. So this is the Black Mardeemer Gambit. This is what I'm realizing works. So I know they're counting that as a miss, right? Because I didn't take back. All right, so we entered the Blackmore Gambit, right? So now I jump out with my horse. I don't really know what this is about. Like this is really bad because he just weakened this square. So here, I'm trying to put some pressure there. There, I don't know what he's doing at this point. I know it's not good. I know it's not good. So here, what I was thinking was attack this, but then I thought about it. I said, you know what? This is the way. As y'all say, this is the way. So there, check, get him to move. Now I could have come in, and I could have come in, but then he'd have just moved this or this there. So that wouldn't have been the best move. All right, so remove the defender because I need this square available. Check. Now you're wondering, right? So, anyways, and now right here is checkmate, right? This is checkmate. But I didn't see it. I was thinking getting this pawn, taking care of that pawn, and then I saw it, right? I finally saw it. Just like, okay, checkmate. All right, so we're gonna try one more game, and that'll be it for this. This is a long form. All right, so we're gonna go Indian game. Yeah, I'm not worried about it. All right, so now we got what we wanted. All right, move our horse. Get that. Oh, so he didn't take. Okay, this guy's playing different. What's this about? I don't know. I don't care. So he just rests right there. He might. I'm gonna do this because this can disrupt his game more than um. What I want to do here, which is interesting. I guess I don't have to do anything. I just do that. If he tries to kick, then I might. Yeah, I'll just go ahead and take. All right. So what we're gonna do here? Let's get off that diagonal because it's not there yet, but it could be there any second. You never know. get my horse involved some way. All right, so we can go here. Alrighty, so he's going after this pawn. What I want to do here? How can I protect this pawn? I guess I don't. I just create a threat. What? That don't make sense, but okay.